Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I first, and all things good and wonderful amongst us. Seen? Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it grow the platform. See, now I'm gonna have a story I want to revisit. Seen where the 2.5 million Jamaican living below the poverty line are living in poverty. See, now I'm gonna read a particular article in the Gleaner regarding the thing. See? So what I'm gonna do, I revisit the article because what happened is that I get the videography for the article because the Gleaner video these things too and them sort of thing there. So we are gonna read the article, show you the video, and examine the contrast. You see it and wonder what the Gleaner propagate. So now that no line how we are dealing, I could get into it. I read the article quickly because this is a joke. Each morning, Ivan Fearon, a household worker from Rosalind, Summerfield, Clarendon, used 1 pack of chocolate mix to make tea for herself, her husband, and their twin boys. Twin boys. Alright. She forced to stress the mixer by adding sugar, milk, and water because they can't afford the optimal portion of 4 packs of the chocolate-based product. So, as we did talk the last time, so them people are the natural coffee, chocolate and coffee grow around them like wildfire. So them can just go pick it and start it for themselves. We would never understand or we never accept the fact that well them a bar so them can't mix last cup while them have the natural thing there. You see, they don't deal with that. Anyway, they each eat a slice of bread with their tea, and on a lucky morning, some fried dumplings are planting from their farm for breakfast without protein or gravy. Now, that is a place where we know say breadfruit that they wagga too. See? Because I used to just pick breadfruit off a tree, roast breadfruit, have a piece of butter, and eat. Be a sweet orange down a sharp orange walk. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Them people here, but we're below the belt. Anyway, we're finish with this. Yeah. The Clarendon family is among the 2 million Jamaican, more than 2/3 of the population who are unable to afford a healthy diet, according to the State of Food Security and Nutrition in the World 2022. Some 100,000 Jamaicans were added to that pool in 2020 when the COVID-19 pandemic hit up from 1.9 million in 2019. The prevalence of moderate or severe food insecurity in the Jamaican population has also increased by 2% points over the last 5 years, from 48.3% in 2016 to 50.3% in 2021. That crisis is set to worsen with inflation galloping globally, with Jamaica recording a rate of 10.7% as at May. The price of food, fuel, and other commodities have risen meteorically since late 2021. That plays out in the belt tightening of households like Fearons, whose food options range from roast breadfruit and callaloo to canned mackerel or sardine. It wouldn't make sense me pressure the system and put me hat where I can't reach it. So the best way is to survive with what we got. Fearon's husband Glenford told the Gleaner. Yes, you better do that. You know, see it. You should even make the Gleaner exploit on the like this, because that's all this is, because I'll show the video them to the eye them. Glenford, who also have 5 adult children, said when they don't have much to eat at times beside what is grown in their yard. He encouraged the twin boys not to complain, but remain hopeful. The twin boys, again, you know, on the soon to the video. Given the setbacks in improving hunger, food securities, we're not going to go into that, you know. You know, see, we're not going to go into that. You know, see, but what we are looking at is the simple fact, say, well then, you know, the basics. If you can't, it's the chocolate or something, the chocolate tea or something the whole we enjoy and like. You know, see, we like with local product them more than the imported one them. I assume when I'm gonna grow up. You know, see, you can't bring a chocolate tin, come give me in a tin and me like it more than the chocolate tea where my auntie and my granny boy give me. You know, see, the only thing about it, really, them really do it because it take a bit of time. You know, see, but you can pre-prepare it from overnight. You can do some of the work from the night before and the morning easier. You know, see, so we never full stand while go on here, so when you see them people here, I moved away there. Neither, we never agree with that. You see, we never have no picture of them and no video of the family. You see, but you see now, we get a little video with the same reasoning there. You see, the interview. I'm going to show you the video. See? And after we watch the video, we're going to explore about the family some more and the wider Jamaica. See how them reflect the wider Jamaica. Give thanks.
When I set in the age, I don't have nobody to help me, so I have to just catch back because I'm sick. Sick, well sick, and I was in the hospital admit, and only she, what my wife right here, you have to stand up for me.
For somebody, like one per person, you will do like 2 spoons of Lasco or 3 spoons of Lasco. If you mix it cheap more than that, now you had more Lasco.
So on a daily basis, I soon have to survive with 1 pack of Lasco?
Yes.
So on average a morning time for breakfast, what do you normally have?
You have we have roast breadfruit. If you have a little color, like steamed cabbage or something like that. Maybe a tin of mackerel or a tin of sardine with it or something like that.
So how you feel about that? Not having a big exciting breakfast at morning time?
To be frank, you know, I just don't tell it as me see, as an individual response to your family. You see, it would make sense to try to press the system and put it at where you cannot reach it. So the best way is to satisfy what you can try to do it from there.
Yeah. So, first thing when me want look upon is out the people them fat, or the mother and her 2 sons them fat, and them a talk about twin, the gleaner. I create the impression like as some young picnic them, as some little toddler where can't take care of themselves, so them whole existence entirely depend on them mother. You know, see, other sort of thing there. Them boy they should have married a Jamaica that. Them boy they should have how old them boy is. Them make sure they mention the twin them age, you know, them just say twins. So that in itself, when me watch the video now, me I say it look like that's some propaganda or something like that the Gleaner I try to create. You know, see what kind of credibility this attribute to the Gleaner when them write a thing like this and then have a video like that and you publish the video too. The 2 of them are 2 different existence, right? As a Rasta. You know, see it? Then when we see the thing of Lasco when the 4 of them are born, I want small, another same regular size Lasco. Lasco gets smaller. Lasco gets smaller, Rasta. You know, see it? I want to say, the people exaggerate this thing too much. For I man now sit back and say, well, poverty, serious poverty there, because if at that level here, them a call poverty. You know, see it? It's like, say, well then, a wolf, them people here cry. I man now say that is the case, you know, with the general population. But if this is the case, not the general population, you're supposed to have candidate line up. If you interview and show disgust now what the system are going. Not 3 fat people, Rasta. 3 people will look like them overweight. You know see, them people if them look like if them have any form of problem is more of a cognitive disorganization and go on there some more than anything else, Rasta, than to say a hungry or a poverty. Or that mainly is the contributor to feed them poverty then. You know see it, because I'm sure garden their own, the house not just there on them 4 brick the way they pan Rasta. The little land space around it to belong to them. Usually at least a half acre. And you have them 2 big changa steering man there in the yard. And looking at the camera like when headlight catch dog. I come talk about hungry. Them thing is a misrepresentation, Rasta. We not really fancy them thing. We don't accept them thing. This is unacceptable. You see it coming from the media as well. Like Gleaner don't have nothing to do. Or like when we was a youth, them send Jonah Dowie come up in a Warwick Hill. In a East Kingston and look for suffering and starving children. Me and my sister and brother them. We whole community just come back from school. And we take off a uniform and thing and dress up in a way. Yard clothes, you know, and go and fly a little kite out there. So man don't really come yet, because this is just after 3 to 4. We did very young, probably young, really young, probably about 8 to 10. Somewhere around there, so. You know, see, and yeah, about 8, you know, about 8. Somewhere around there at the 10 region, Rasta. And you see a cameraman come up and you want to ask me if would I like take a picture. That's so I say, yeah, I mean, a camera that, we're not used to them thing there. You know, see it, can take a picture, man. You know, see it, and in put we in position way, in put we in the pose them when you want we as a child, you know, and take snap the picture and then go publish it in a Gleaner about starving, suffering children of the Warwick Hill region. You know, see it. That's when my mother see it start. My mother want to beat, you know, Rasta, because she say, oh, but the committee realize so we are picnic. We don't know where this guy a plan for God. I don't like him to tell you, say, I'm going to publicize we are starving, suffering children. You know, see, it would make him take a picture as young as we is, because we know what them thing they said. You know, see it. But Jonah don't we do that. And Michael Manley and everybody have to get involved in the community and get a apology or some restitution from them regarding that. I want to tell you from that this is Jonah Dowie in a big publication and a whole heap of nothing. Him dead not long ago. You know, see, something like this go on here, so Rasta, them lazy guy and have nothing to do. The true story them, when really matter to people or can affect a change in Jamaica where can change poverty, them guy not pay attention to. Them guy don't want to pay attention to. Them guy go look like distraction like them, yeah. You see, the hotel industry and them place there, the tourist industry, we have segregation day down at Jamaica there, apartheid day upon all Puerto Rico beach, and them sitting there, the big rich hotelier them, we don't give no rights to the very hard working, polite labor force of them have done there. I work for little and nothing. These are the things where the Gleaner need to investigate and dig deep in a whole heap of work in a them thing there. A whole heap of work in a ministry of works. A whole heap of money, illegal, corrupt money, a swing through the ministry of works. You know, see it? If you just go stand up out there and look, secretly, nobody don't know say you are watch. The amount of corruption where you see a seep out of the office there is like a well-mature festa boil. You know, see it? Yes, Rasta. When you come with them lame story and I want to make people like I feel like say everything alright in Jamaica, it don't make no sense. Everything good. This is you know, if at this, you know, see it? You couldn't go find 2 people with Marga or something like that. A woman will really have 2 twin with small. You go for 2 big grown-ass people. And if you look on the video, I know the woman can't throw the chocolate out of the sitting down. Like it's a script. And I acting not too right. Probably I 3, 4 different sitting a chocolate them use before them could get the proper clip. You know, if you observe the clip, Rasta, rewind it and watch it again. I crap that, I set up that, I fool them check people for. You know, see it? You know, see it? And the people, them is nothing like the people, the citizens, them. Me say, some some cognitive disorder go on there, so. You know see, because I look upon all that guy and tell that guy, say, I better we talk about crime. You know see, because we not really represent poverty. We not really represent hunger. Upon a scale where Jamaica know it. You know see it. You know, you know, this a joke. This a worklessness, Rasta. This a victimhood. What for God, they got dig up. We agree so the government deserve to do better and do more, Rasta. But what would I do for food yourself, Rasta? When the slung back and I depend upon thief we are robbing for hundreds of years. From the moment Jamaica independence come in, Rasta, government not do nothing. But all, me say it disgusts me. The video disgusts me, Rasta. Because real people out there, we are struggle. Real people out there, we need assistance. You know, see it? But when you come with, I represent, with them people here, I represent poverty. You know, people that are in a poverty, Rasta. You know, see it? We don't know how you gonna get some people who look like, say, them have a, you know, like them not so firm up at them head part, Rasta. And them sort of people there, our people them get, if you come, and them fat, you have too big and upon me say, them son they want some cutlass lick, the big broad so cutlass them are brand new, we don't use them yet. Rasta, and that them want, wrap up around them, make them go dig up the yard, go fuck up the yard and go look work. Look on them boy, the Rasta. Somebody show them that video for me, you know. Somebody show them like a cheap, I mean, what if you call them the Rasta? You don't need sense for your born and grow a Clarendon. Missy, disabled people, I work farm a Clarendon Rasta. Them boy, I work this boy. Work this boy, them there. And the mother, a facilitator. You don't see it? The mother grocery. That's why you're hungry. Because you raised two worthless boy. You know, raised two man to come help out. You know, see it? You know, raised two man, Rasta, for go chop two fish last night. That's only can have right Kobe River, the right next door, you know. Our doorstep up on a river, you know, Rasta. And she have the big land out there. Only can, hey, them things are not acceptable. On come on social media, ball, about poverty and hunger. Scamming that, Rasta. Scamming that, unacceptable. You know, see it? We not, you know, see it? Who know? Where a kind of story now we are going, you know, take serious, Rasta. Which story we are going to take serious when you see them representation here? I come out of Jamaica, sanctioned by one of the biggest news media in Jamaica. A propaganda this. Look at them and bro, God have something, Rasta. Look at them and bro, God have something. And that me I show you, you know. I saw independent media God. There is no independent media at Jamaica, Rasta. You know, see, them guys have a political alignment. The same Gleaner there. Them and bro God good, I was friend last year and bro God, some displeasure go on between them in a Rasta. And them quickly turn against bro God now. And I mean, well, me and bro God are not friend neither. Don't get me wrong. But when I say, well, you have to observe all manner how them guys are not supposed to use the way to feed them platform for this start things like this. If poverty out there, Rasta, I better if you go down a river and you know, boy, you can't even say that neither. You know, see, cause this just look like a sketch. This just look like a sketch where some people try to do in a somebody, a old lady kitchen or something like that to make things look better than it is. No, I am not saying things isn't bad. May I say this is not a representation of anything, whether how bad it is or them, the way them look, meaning that things good. No, this is a lacking imagination. Andrew Ainsworth Morris take this. You see, this is a misrepresentation of everything true. You see it, and I am disgusted with them thing here. Yes, Rasta. And I give thanks. Yes, sir. Share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.